Good morning all, I am Anita APNCLC in SNSCT. Now we are going to see about our BMC video in the topic of online food delivery system using web application of MERN Stack development. Okay, nowadays online food delivery is the most important. For small level of shop it's not possible, so for that we have to develop our develop model systems using a MERN Stack. So in front end we are using the React backend, Node.js and other online database we are connecting to follow our model applications. Okay, so using we have to develop our web development by using this MERN Stack application by delivering our food products. We can easily add this any items of in the online manner using React.js. Then after that in backend we are using Node.js. We can deliver our food items and we can track the food delivery systems, and then easily we can follow up our customers. So for that we have to develop our online food delivery system using MERN Stack development in the following manner. Let me discuss our team in the next topic. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today, our team is presenting a full stack development project titled Online Food Delivery Web Application using MERN Stack. Nowadays, people prefer ordering food online because it is convenient, fast and easy to access. However, many small restaurants will struggle to manage online orders efficiently. Customers also expect features like real-time order tracking, secure payment systems, and user-friendly interfaces. To solve these problems, we developed a modern web application where users can browse food items, place orders, make payments, and track deliveries. This application is being built using the MERN stack, which includes MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. The front end is developed using React.js to provide interactive and responsive user interface. The backend is handled using Node.js and Express.js, while MongoDB is used for storing the details, food items, and order information. The main objective of our project is to create a scalable, secure, and efficient online food delivery platform. Now, I invite the next speakers, that is my class members, to explain the front-end development and user interface design. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. Now I will explain the front-end development part of our online food delivery web application. The front-end of our project is developed using React.js. React.js helps to create reusable components and make the web applications faster and more interactive. In our application, the home page displays different food categories, popular dishes and restaurant details. In simple and attractive way, users can easily browse food items, search for favorite dishes and add items to the cart. We use React Router for smooth navigation between pages on the home page, login, cart and order without reloading the entire page. To design the user interaction, we use CSS and Bootstrap. These technologies helps make the website responsive, so it works properly on mobile, tabs and desktop. We also use React hooks such as useState and useEffect for managing the data and updating the interface dynamically. This improves user experience and makes the applications more effective. For connecting the front end will be backend server. We use APIs. For example, when a user logins or places an order, the front end communicates with the web backend services using HTTP request. Overall, the front end provides a smooth, user-friendly and responsive experiences for customers.
Hello everyone, I will explain the backend development and database management of our project. The backend of this application is developed using Node.js and Express.js. Node.js allows us to build scalable server-side applications while Express.js simplifies API creation and routing. We created RESTful APIs for functionality such as user registration, login authentication, and food item management, cart operations, and order placement. MongoDB is used as the database because it is flexible and stores data in JSON-like documents. Collections are created for users, food items, restaurants, and orders. Mongoose is used for connecting MongoDB with Node.js. It helps us define schemas and validate data efficiently. For authentication and security, we implemented JWT, which stands for JSON Web Token. This ensures secure login sessions and protects user data. Error handling middleware is also implemented to manage invalid requests and improve system reliability. Overall, the backend ensures smooth communication between front end and back end. Now, the next speaker will explain additional features and testing of the application.
Good evening, everyone. I am Sanjay from third year CCC. Today we are going to present about our MERN Stack application, which for our food delivering application, which is an idea which is initiated by us. So in this application, we have initiated tech stacks like MERN, which is MongoDB, Express, and Node, and React. So we have integrated React for websites. We have integrated React and with Chatzian library, and also with framework motions. And we have implemented CDN network optimization, which is a content delivery network, and edge computing also. After that, we move into applications like mobile application. We have implemented that in Flutter, so that we can able to open that application in iOS and Android also, which is a cross-native application development. And we have moved our idea into when we moving out into backend services. We have integrated caching, which enables the user to order as much of food, and it cannot be dropped out in due to any performance issues. And also we have implemented Redis caching for caching purposes, and we have included Express and Node, which is one of the top most backend structure. And we have implemented that deployed that in deploy the backend in Railway and front end in Versal, so that it can communicate seamlessly. And we have integrated for database. We have implemented MongoDB with AWS S3 buckets for storing images, and for text storing we have integrated in MongoDB. After that, when we moving on to deployment, we have already know about Versal and Railway, and this is all about our applications.
I will now explain the main features, testing and deployment of our project. Our online food delivery application includes important features like user registration and login, add to cart, order management, and secure payment integration. Users can create accounts, browse food items, search for dishes, add items to the cart, and place orders easily. Admins can manage food items, update prices, and monitor custom orders. For testing, we checked all major modules such as login system, API responses, database connectivity, and front-end responsiveness to ensure smooth performance. We also improved speed by optimizing API calls and reducing necessary page loads. For deployment, the front-end can be hosted using Netlify or Versal. The backend can be hosted using Render or Railway platform, and MongoDB Atlas is used as the cloud database. It will produce a connection string which will be passed to the MongoDB code. In MongoDB, we will be using a Mongoose package to write the code. So in the Mongoose library, we will be inserting the code into database. So from the front end, the data will be back to the databases. So this project shows how MERN Stack technologies work together to build a real-world, scalable, and efficient application. Thank you.